In this session, we're going to look at the introduction for the ledger. So if you go to ledger, there's various options we have here. Now we've got to keep in mind that this program, whether it's IQ Business or IQ Enterprise, is a fully integrated ledger program. Every single transaction you do, whether it's under point of sale or under debtors or under processing, will integrate to the ledger, which means at the end of your financial year, it will influence all your financial statements. In the sessions that follow, we will look at account maintenance, we'll look at journals, cash book postings, we'll look at inquiries, we'll go through all the reports, we'll look at bank recon, we'll discuss the budget, the foreign currencies. In other words, we'll work through these modules. What is important to remember is that under your setup, company details, that the integration account here is correct. Always make sure that the selections here are correct. In fact, there's 5 places within IQ Business or IQ Enterprise that you should check the ledger. That was one. The other 2 options is under module parameters, the transaction types. Please make sure that the ledger selections are correct here. The same for creditors transaction types. I'm clicking on setup. Check your ledger accounts here. So that was the first 3 steps. The 4th step is under major stock departments. Please check all these ledger accounts here, making sure that you've selected the correct ledger accounts. And then the 5th and last option will be the POS tender setup, where you can define the ledger accounts for this specific tender type. So please go through your tender types, making sure that you are happy and comfortable and you know what they are with the ledger account selections. That's then the 5 steps of where you've got to make sure the ledger accounts are defined correctly. And that concludes looking at the introduction for ledger.